Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace files within a Claude project. So to get started, let's open up the Projects tab, which you can find here at the left-hand side of your screen. If you have trouble looking for it, simply click on the Open Sidebar button here at the top left, and you should be able to find the Projects tab very easily. So underneath the Projects tab, navigate to the project you'd like to replace the files in. In this case, it's this one, my production planning project. And right now you can see I currently have a few files already here. So if you hover over any file, you should see an X button appear at the top left of the icon. And that's how you would want to remove it. You can also select multiple ones as so by clicking on the checkbox at the bottom right and clicking on the delete item. But since I only want to remove one item, I'm simply going to take note of which one I want to replace. In this case, it's the Clipchamp production guide. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And now I'm going to upload a new file to replace that one. So simply click on the button at the top right to upload a file from your device, as I just did, and navigate to the file you would like to add to your project files instead. So with that done, your project files should be up to date where you have whatever you need for that specific project. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Very quick, very easy, and simple to follow. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.